Hello, Accounting 2. So this chapter is about payroll, and 12-1 work together is pretty easy. You'll see in your workbook that it has 4 employees. It gives you the hours worked, and you just have to do some basic multiplication. So with your earnings, you're going to have your 40 times the $9 to give you $360. And you'll just go down and do your regular earnings. So 40 times 1250 gives you the $500. 30 times the 975 gives you 292.50. And 40 times 11 equals 440. Now, you will have to then do your overtime. Now, overtime is time and a half. So you're going to take your regular rate of $9 times 1.5, and then you're going to end up, for employee number 1, they are going to be earning $13.50. So for this person's 5 hours of overtime, you're going to take 5 times the $13.50, and you'll end up with $67.50. And then you have your next employee. Your next employee is making $12.50. You're going to take $12.50 times the 1.5, and you're going to get $18.75. So $18.75 times 3 hours equals $56.25. Your third employee has no overtime, so that's just a 0. And then your fourth employee has 2 at 11, but 11 times 1.5, so 11 times 1.5, you get 1650. So I'm going to take 1650 times the 2 hours, and they're going to have $33 worth of overtime. And then total earnings is your regular plus your overtime to give you your total earnings. So we have 427.50 for employee number 1, 556.25 for employee 2, 292.50 for employee 3, and 473 for employee number 4. So it's pretty basic math. I will warn you that when you go to do your application problem, they actually give you time cards, and so you have to actually calculate the regular hours. So you're going to put on the time card where it says hours regular and OT, you'll actually put that in. Be careful whenever you're counting time. Sometimes people have troubles because they take it and they actually discredit themselves an extra hour. Anyways, also whenever you're counting, you take it to the nearest whole hour. So like if it says 7:58 to 12:02, essentially that's 8 to 12. So 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12. You got 4 hours in the morning. And then the next one says 12:59 to 5:03. So that's 1 to 5. So 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. You're looking at 8 hours of regular time. And then down at the bottom of the timesheets, you'll do exactly what we just now did here in the work together. Let me know if you have any problems. Sure to send emails or any kind of pictures or whatever you might need.